So, Padoro Tranexamic Acid Serum is basically marketed as a skincare product designed to target dark spots, uneven skin tone, and pigmentation. Tranexamic acid is an interesting ingredient, but the marketing can sometimes make the results sound faster and more dramatic than they really are. The biggest thing is consistency. Even with a useful ingredient, pigmentation usually takes time to improve, and results can depend on the cause of the discoloration and your skin type. I'd also look at the full formula, concentration, and whether the product is suitable for your skin. And don't forget sunscreen, because sun exposure can make pigmentation harder to manage even when you're using a treatment serum. So, is Padoro Tranexamic Acid Serum worth buying? It could be worth considering if you're looking for a product targeting pigmentation, but I wouldn't expect overnight results. Check the ingredients, independent reviews, and return policy before buying. Overall, the ingredient has potential, but don't confuse an effective skincare ingredient with a guaranteed result from one particular product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.